Hello everyone, we are from Seven Group and we are going to present about our works, and it's about water turbine. And let me introduce myself. My name is Biaggi Arzy.
And my name is Rendy Redifan.
And the first thing, we're going to let you know what the turbine is.
Turbine is a tool used to convert energy into another energy. Turbines convert energy derived from the nature, such as wind, water, and gases, to be converted into useful energy. One of them is water turbine. The water turbine converts the energy generated from the water flow into electrical energy. Water turbines are used in hydropower to convert the energy from the water that is contained in the dam to be converted into electrical energy that is flow to the community home. Water is a source of energy that is very abundant, especially during the rainy season. Therefore, water needs to be utilized to be converted into another energy, that is electrical energy. Utilization energy of the water to become electrical energy requires energy and conversion tool, that is water turbine.
And the next is water turbine. Water turbines are a tool for converting potential energy of water into mechanical energy. This mechanical energy was then converted into electrical energy by a generator. Water turbines generation in hydroelectric water turbine is the main equipment other than generator. Based on the principle of turbine work in converting potential energy of water into kinetic energy. The water turbine is divided into groups: impulse turbine and traction turbine.
Turbine used to convert potential energy into mechanical energy. The falling force that drives the propeller causes the turbine to spin. Water turbines are most likely like a windmill. By replacing the wind thrust function to turn the propellers to turn the turbines. The turbine rotation is connected to the generator.
There are two parts in water turbines: rotor and stator. Rotor, the rotating part of the system consisting of 1. Blades, used to receive the emission load sprayed by a nozzle. 2. Shaft, serve to continue the flow of energy in the form of rotary motion produced by the blade. 3. Bearing, serve as the sealed components to prevent the system from leaking. And stator is the fixed part of the system consisting of 1. Fixed point or nozzle pipe for continuing fluid flow so that the pressure and velocity of the fluid used in the large system. 2. Turbine house, serve as the home position of turbine components.
Okay, we have a video, and this video will explain about how water turbine works, and check it out. This is the type of water turbine is based on the flow. There is a axial turbine, radial turbine, and axial radial turbine.
Okay, this is the end of our videos. I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to like,
comment,
and subscribe. Bye guys.
Bye.